Is it getting about that time to clean that pool up again? Well, you've got the right video. Today we have Chasing's CM600 with this awesome diving technology that gets that pool super clean. How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to another episode of Good Tech Cheap. My name is Brad and I'll be the host for today's episode. Starting off, if you're new to the show, make sure you are subscribed where you're seeing this episode at. Today's episode is brought to you by Chasing. We have their CM600 Robotic Pool Vacuum. We have all the links and details, of course, in the description, so make sure to check that out. But as you know, in every episode, we do an unboxing and then we take a closer look at the product and let you guys know what we think. So let's go check it out. Alright, so this is the CM600 Robotic Pool Cleaner. We're gonna get it right out of the box and see what all we get. So right on top we have the paperwork in a little box, placed nicely. Got all your details and things that you need for it. Right on top, we have an LCD screen and looks like a control module. It says we do not want to get this wet, so keep that in mind. Looks like we've got some hose right here. So this is going to be some heavy duty pool cleaner. Right here we have got some micron filters. See if we can get the foam out here. There we go. So this is a beastly unit, and that's good because we got a real dirty pool right now. So this thing has treads on it. So it's gonna have no problem getting around your pool. Right on top, this opens up where the trash compartment is. You can empty this out. And that handle is just a spring loaded, so it will just come up like that and it will go down when you close it and latch into place. Let's take a look at the bottom of the unit. We have all sorts of scoops here where we can rub and drag the floor and grab any sand particles and small debris. Well, this is everything that you get right out of the box, so we're gonna go get it in the pool and try it out. CM600 Swimming Pool Cleaning Robot is a fully automated cleaning robot suitable for multiple shaped swimming pools, which is independently developed by Chasing, so there's no need to drain your pool to get it cleaned, and you can even access even more intelligent control by using the app. That's right, I was even able to control this vacuum and steer it on the pool floor, picking up the dirtiest spots of the pool immediately. I thought that was a great perk for this pool vac. The CM600 can also realize automatically an obstacle in the pool and avoid it. This definitely keeps it from being tangled up onto the ladder. And not only can it navigate perfectly on the pool floor, picking up all that trash, it can climb the walls too. With the attached tethering cable, you can use the control box to set different modes. So whether you just want to clean the pool bottom, the pool wall, or even do the water line, you can just pick those cleaning methods, or you have a regular, fast, and ultra cleaning mode. So in other words, you can really get your pool clean with this pool vac. The double layer filter screen design with the inner layer mesh bag filters coarse sand, leaves, stones, and other large particles of impurities. And the outer layer filter paper core filters out smaller impurities such as sludge, dander, grease, and more. And besides, we all know double filtration is always cleaner, so another sweet perk. Chasing is also the world's first robotic pool cleaner using Poseidon 200-meter deep sea technology. with an underwater special BLDC motor. With its fully brushless custom motor, you get such longer life with this unit. The CM600 swimming pool cleaning robot adopts chasing full brushless custom motor technology with no electric spark, reducing interference, smooth operation with stable and reliable power output, and of course that longer service life we all want, meaning double suction power, giving you a clean pool guaranteed. That's what I really enjoyed about this unit, is the dual active brush. That brushes your pool liner or pool floor, helping to remove any algae and picking up all that small debris. And of course with the app you get more features than just driving this unit. You can schedule cleaning sessions as well as read the temperature of your pool. And that's not the only thing that I thought was really awesome that set this vacuum apart from others. When it is time to end that cleaning session, you have an auto float feature that will allow this unit to go to the edge of your pool and climb the wall and stay at the top so you can easily retrieve it. And of course, as you can see, it picked up so much trash from my pool. So many leaves I had in this. We're getting it ready to store it up for the winter, so this pool vacuum really helped out a lot. When looking into this unit, you have two different models you can choose, one with an 18 meters long tethering cable and the other comes with a 25 meters long tethering cable. So depending on how long of a tethering cable you need for this pool vacuum determines if you can save a few bucks. But overall, chasing, you have absolutely outdone yourself with this vacuum. I am highly satisfied and I love it. It really done an excellent job cleaning the pool, cleaning the walls of the pool, the water line. It's just overall an awesome pool vac. So if you're out on the market, I would highly recommend to look into this one. We'll have all of our links and details located in the description, so make sure to check that out. As well as I'd like to give Chasing a huge shout out for partnering up with us so we could give you this review. So if you found it helpful, make sure to hit that like button and get in the comments and let us know what you think and what type of pool you have that you need to clean with this unit. Well, that is going to wrap it up for today's episode. I hope you found some valuable information. Once again, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure to do so. But thank you all so much for watching. My name is Brad, and I'll be seeing you guys in the next review.